This is epic. Oh, this is epic.
Look at that.
That's awesome. Maybe I want to work for these guys, and I can control the crane. Whoops, sorry I hit your house. Whoops, sorry I hit your face.
While we're waiting on the laundry, when I get back, maybe we can go outside, open the garage, and I can try and help get the stroller, and then we can move some of the things out of my car. There's gonna be a huge crane in front of our house, lifting up the logs. Big giant logs, a few at a time, tossing them in. It's crazy.
This is all right in front of our house.
I didn't find your anorak now. Please. I'm gonna be quick. They're all gonna do the same thing. Have you ever bought one that was so bad you had to throw it out?
This one is just a long lasting. This is a lot different.
And then we gotta start checking clothes and bags. He's getting a croissant with butter and bring back. She doesn't.
Toasted.
Toasted with butter. There's nothing she wants. Think, monkey, think. Daddy, I'll give you a call. Then you call my cell if you want. Olivia, I gave you every chance in the world. At Dunkin' Donuts, they have muffins, croissants, munchkins, donuts,
Bagels.
bagels.